Hi guys, I'm starting to organize my baggage for a retreat which I have booked at the end of this month, and I'm super excited. I'm a Quantum Leap member with Success Resources for T. Harv Eker's programs, and actually I'm so excited. I've ordered a couple of things online to take with me on this retreat. So it's the Enlightened Warrior retreat camp, organized by this company, by Success Resources. And the retreat takes place this month at the end of April. It will last for about 5-6 days up until early May, and it's meant to help you totally transform your life. I'm super excited, especially because beside the fact that I know it will help me further transform my life, we are not actually being told exactly what sort of activities we will have. We will be both indoors and outdoors, and they gave us a list of things to buy, things to have with you actually for this retreat, and I will show you what I ordered so far. So they asked us to have mountain boots, so I've ordered mountain boots. I've never actually I never worn a mountain boots, so that's pretty exciting. Yeah, I can't wait to try them on. I hope they will be comfortable, and because we will be up in the mountains, hopefully no bears, no wolves, I hope. But we will be outdoors a lot actually, and they've told us to have rain gear. So I've ordered a couple of items, such as a poncho, sort of raincoat, and also a suit, so pants and jacket. And I'm super excited to actually start packing and get ready my suitcase. Even though it's only, I think it's 5 days, even though it's only 5 days, I'm going to have a really large suitcase because of all this stuff that's required and I need to have with me. So that's the raincoat. So raincoat, I can't see it on the camera. So yeah, I've gotten a raincoat, so that will do. It looks really good actually, and the material, it's not bad. It's not bad actually. And pants. And pants. It clearly says it's a raincoat, so it clearly says that. So those are some of the very first items that I'm going to pack in my large suitcase. Mountain boots, rain jacket, a full rain set, and yeah, I have a lot more to pack and to get organized, but I'm super excited. I've never actually been on such a transformational retreat, such as a warrior camp. So for my first camp, actually for my first retreat, I just feel it's going to be explosive. It's going to be really powerful, and it's truly meant to help you transform your life, but not just mentally, not just in a way that you'll become more confident and unstoppable in terms of achieving your goals, but also it's meant to help you transform the way you see yourself, the way you see, the way you perceive and accept other people as well. So it's meant to help you transform your life emotionally, spiritually as well, and pretty much see life with different lenses, from a total different perspective. So I really look forward. The lead trainer is Robert Raymond Riopel. He's been an international coach and speaker, trainer, and a presenter for Success Resources. He's a presenter for MMI, which is Millionaire Mind Intensive. And last year when I went for the first time to MMI, actually in Dublin in Ireland, he was the presenter. So I know he's a really good coach, he's a really good speaker, and his energy, it's just amazing. And I'm really looking forward for this life transformation event with him as a speaker and lead trainer and assistant trainer. I think it's going to be Aaron Hui, another great international speaker. So I guess that's it for now. I need to start doing all this packaging, and I'll be shooting more videos like this as I approach this amazing retreat. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.